This trick feels so wrong, but works so well. If you have a stale loaf of bread you want to bring back to life, wet it down under the sink. Looks crazy, but stay with me. Then bake it for a few minutes at 350. And that bread will be just as good as when it was taken out of the oven for the first time.
Good morning, guys. I just got to work and I'm about to fix some breakfast, but I thought I'd show you my little hack on how to soften stale bread. Got some bagels here. So these bagels are really hard. It's been probably about a week, so just get a damp paper towel, wrap it up, put it in the microwave for about 20-25 seconds. And now unwrap it. It's a little steamy. Now look how soft that got. Anyway, enjoy. Have a good day.
Don't throw away stale or the end of the bread. We can still use it. We're going to make croutons in the air fryer. First, you're going to cut your bread into cubes, then melt some butter. I used about a tablespoon. Then add your seasonings. Next, combine the bread and butter and stir it so it's coated evenly. Add it to the air fryer, and then I cooked it on 390 for about 6 minutes. Make sure you check on the bread and continue to stir it while it's in the air fryer. Then you'll get delicious homemade croutons while reducing your food waste.
Here's an easy hack for reviving stale bread. Wet it with just a little bit of water. Then wrap it in some tinfoil tight, preheat the oven to 425, and bake it for 10 minutes. What this does is it creates steam, so when you open it, it's like fresh baked. It's great if your kids only like Italian bread like mine.